little artists! Are you ready to create something sweet and colorful today? We're going to draw a delicious rainbow ice cream cone. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a big V shape. This will be the cone of our ice cream. Now, on top of the cone, we'll draw 7 layers of ice cream.
Wow!
Start from the bottom and go all the way to the top, making each layer look like a scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job!
Cool!
Now, let's decorate the cone with lines to create a check pattern. Draw lines across and then lines going down. It looks like a real waffle cone now. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our amazing ice cream cone. It looks fantastic and it's dancing with joy. Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. Let's start coloring our ice cream layers with rainbow colors. Red color. Let's start with the top layer. Next, yellow color. Then orange color. Now blue color. Next green color. Now purple color. And finally, pink color. Wow! Our ice cream layers are looking awesome. Now, let's color the cone with light brown color. Perfect!
Wow!
It looks just like a real cone. Fantastic job, little artists! Your rainbow ice cream cone looks so yummy and colorful. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.